I haven't taken a video and I do apologize. I do have it in the car, just had enough time just to throw it in and go to the competition. Didn't do too bad. I'm not even kind of embarrassed of the numbers, but on the way back out of the competition I ended up hitting a bump and the base went from okay to astronomical. Here the wiring, because I was in such a rush, wasn't correct. RCA mixed with speaker wires were not as tight as expected. You can see dirt, but there's a picture of the subwoofers inside, and the box turned out beautiful, but I kind of had to destroy it. Yeah, I was in such a rush. Go ahead and turn the light on quick. Alright, let me see that. I ended up smashing it there, just to fit it in the trunk. It wasn't a miscalculation. The hump in the trunk, there's an extra hump, and I didn't feel like cutting the car apart, but I kind of did. Had to smash the taillight bezels in order to get it to fit in. It's just sheet metal. I can pull it right back out. I actually cut it. You can see right there. Cut it and smashed it with a hammer. All to fit a speaker box in. You know, desperate measures. I didn't even get a chance to do the body work. Now, if I would have painted this and did all the body work and then smashed it in there, I don't know. I probably would have cut the outside of the car apart before I did the speaker box. But yeah, it's pretty fancy. You can hear the fans on the PPI amp just rolling. Look how much dust is on that. I will be giving a bass demo video, just not tonight. But show you some of the carnage this box has done to my car. It has lifted that out completely. This is all, I got to get that re-pushed in. I can only imagine how much water is going to get down in there. It's actually ripping the paint off. Not a big deal. I got to repaint the car anyhow. All the chrome down there just lifted right off. But yeah, you can see the big old port coming out the back window. Yeah, just give you a small video. I do apologize. I didn't get a video of it when it was playing or whatnot. Who knows? Maybe later on.